Cloche is a movable mini polytunnel that sits over a veg patch or flower bed as and when you need it. Our cloches offer the perfect plant protection for gardeners growing in small spaces such as raised beds and patios. Cloches are ideal for protecting your plants from the weather and from pests, increasing your chance of producing delicious crops. At Premier Polytunnels, we offer a choice of covers for our cloches. Choose from polythene, shade and windbreak netting or anti-bird net. Our cloches are made using the most durable materials and include 2 extension legs to allow for quick access and ventilation. Our cloches are 3'7" high and are available in 4 sizes, ranging from 4 foot by 6 foot to 4 foot by 12 foot, so you're sure to find the perfect fit for your garden. Premier Polytunnels supply a detailed construction guide with every polytunnel. We also provide a construction advice helpline 7 days a week, along with a comprehensive collection of online construction videos. If you have any queries or questions, give the team a call or visit our website for more details.